The Yellowstone National Park area has experienced 3 catastrophic eruptions in Earth's history. The largest eruption, which formed the caldera, occurred 2.1 million years ago and ejected 2,450 cubic kilometers of material, making it a supervolcano. Yellowstone is more than just an American treasure. It is also the world's oldest national park. For those keeping track, Yellowstone's national park status is older than the National Park Service itself, having been established in 1916. The park receives nearly 3 million visitors annually. Most flock to the area for its stunning natural scenery, including Old Faithful Geyser and numerous hiking trails, mountain peaks, and hot springs. However, beneath the surface of this outdoor lover's paradise lies another natural wonder, one that has the potential to wipe the park off the map. The Yellowstone supervolcano is a massive granite magma chamber located miles beneath the park's surface. While it's unlikely to erupt anytime soon, a major eruption would be devastating news for nature lovers and many people living around the park. Source: USGS, Lemus. The Yellowstone supervolcano is a massive volcanic system beneath the national park. It is one of the largest active volcanic systems in the world. The Yellowstone supervolcano has a massive caldera, a large crater formed after a powerful eruption solidified a magma chamber beneath the surface. Although Yellowstone frequently experiences geothermal activity, such as geysers and hot springs, the risk of an imminent eruption is low. A Yellowstone supervolcano eruption would not spell the end of humanity. Answering this question in his weekly column, Yellowstone Caldera Chronicles, writes Mike Poland, scientist in charge at the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory. If the Yellowstone supervolcano were to erupt, it would happen like this. Heat rising from deep within the planet's core would begin to melt molten rock just below the surface. This would create a mixture of magma, rock, steam, carbon dioxide, and other gases. As the mixture accumulates and rises over thousands of years, the pressure will eventually push the ground upward, forming a dome, creating cracks along its edges. When that pressure is released through the cracks, dissolved gases will explode, rapidly solidifying magma throughout the park. Source: Achenbach. Such an eruption would involve more dangerous lava flows and is expected to kill up to 90,000 people instantly and spread a layer of molten ash 10 feet, 3 meters high, as far as 1,000 miles. 1,609 kilometers from the park. Rescue teams would likely have difficulty accessing it. Volcanic ash would block all access from the ground. Equally frightening is the nuclear winter that some experts say could devastate the US and the entire world if Yellowstone erupts. Sulfuric gases released from the volcano would rise into the atmosphere and mix with the planet's water vapor. The cloud of gas drenching the country would not only deflect sunlight, it would also cool temperatures. The drop in temperature would severely impact our food supply, extending harvest times and moving up the food chain by making those at the bottom vulnerable. In fact, that's what many climate scientists believe happened in 535 AD after a supervolcano erupted on Java. The good news is, the likelihood of an eruption of this magnitude in our lifetime is extremely small. Yellowstone last erupted about 640,000 years ago, and the United States Geological Survey estimates the peak probability of another eruption at about 0.00014% per year. Source: USGS. According to the US Geological Survey, the magma chamber beneath the Yellowstone caldera, a deformation of the ground caused by previous volcanic activity, is only 5 to 15% molten, meaning there likely won't be enough lava flow to cause a more catastrophic eruption source, USGS.